Aina is Ohana. Iulu no kalala ike kumu. The branches grow because of the trunk. Without our ancestors, we would not be here. Walk the loop. As parents, chefs, coaches, teachers, and neighbors increasingly model self-sufficiency and aloha aina, keiki know where their food comes from, and communities experience an abundance from aina as well as abundant respect for aina. Abundance and self-sufficiency means local foods will be increasingly prepared and consumed, but also preserved in ways that extend shelf life and amplify regional resilience in the face of natural disasters or other global supply chain malfunctions. This regional resilience promotes pride and instills kuleana to carry on traditional, cultural, and sustainable practices which strengthen emotional, physical, and spiritual health. In a state of health and wellness, individuals and families manage stress and process current, historic, and intergenerational trauma, all of which are critical to collective healing and practice of self-sufficiency and aloha aina.